Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add layers in Draw.io. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Draw.io, open up the diagram you want to add layers to, and first we need to actually turn on layers because this is not turned on by default. So come here to the top panel, click on view, and here you'll see layers. Just need to toggle this on, or you can even use a keyboard shortcut if you prefer it that way, which is Control plus Shift plus L. So just click on it though, and you get layers. And to add a new layer, it's very easy. See this plus icon right here? So if you click on it, it would add a layer, and you can rename it. So let's say a layer 1 right here, and you can move it as you wish. You can even go ahead and hide and unhide it as well. So let me show you. And there you go. So that is how you add layers in Draw.io.